So this is the bukog-bukog. Look guys, it look like too much oil, but the oil is natural from the fat of the meat.
I did not put any oil.
I didn't put oil, only natural fat. At dito, nagluto din si Madam ng giniling na karne with patatas. At ito, all bukog-bukog, buto-buto. Right sir? Bones. Buko-buko. Buko-buko daw, sabi ni sir. This is natural fat of the buto-buto. So what is the name of this recipe, sir?
It is
Somebody told it is paya.
paya, but it is not from the down. It is middle thigh.
Thai.
Yeah.
Paya. Thai.
Yeah. Paya is little different. It is almost same.
Like tiil lang siya guys, yung paa lang talaga. Pero ito malaking paa. Ano ba? Femur, sir?
Yeah, femur.
This is the femur bone. Yung paya ay sa baba na bahagi. So yun, masarap yun.